জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Wrote in his will. I hope you remember what Topabrata Basu wrote in his will.
Dripto's wife will get the property if he dies, not when he is alive.
And so,
Therefore, Dripto needs to die after marriage. All the pawns are moving as I have wanted, Dad. It's interesting.
What's wrong with Mother? I don't get it. Everything is becoming so complex for me. As far as I know, Mother wishes good for Nayan. It will be disastrous for Nayan if Deepu marries again. How can Mother be so happy about it?
Thank Lord. You relieved me. Deepu and Nayan didn't get divorced. Nayan is still Deepu's wife. She is still his shield. The enemies won't target Nayan if someone else becomes Deepu's wife in public. Please protect Deepu and Nayan, oh Lord. Please protect them. But it's too painful for Nayan to hear about Deepu's marriage, oh Lord. I am not capable of reducing her pain at all. If I want her to be safe, there is no other way. I feel so helpless, oh Lord.
Will you still be quiet? Will you still be so stubborn? Okay then. Hold on. I'm not done yet. Mom, I didn't tell you about today's party.
Party?
Yes, Mom. I'm throwing a party to celebrate my decision to get married. Nayan will handle all the responsibilities to arrange this party. Hey, Jeet. Where are you going?
You know what, Dripto? Actually, I don't want to stay here anymore. I feel the whole situation is too inhuman and it's very suffocating for me. And I don't recognize this aspect of yours. You know, there's a saying called adding insult to your injury. Let me tell you, you're doing the same. You weren't satisfied by telling her about your marriage. It wasn't enough. You are asking her to make all the arrangements for your marriage. Wonderful. Look, maybe others are enjoying this decision of yours, but I'm not enjoying it at all, Dripto. I don't know about you all, but I am not so stone-hearted.
Jeet!
Let it be, Mom. It's Jeet's personal opinion if he has any objections. No matter what he says, Nayan will have to arrange everything for the party.
Well, Deepu, I don't have any problem that you want her to do the chores. It's natural that a maid will do the chores, but I think you should think again. A party in our house means a different kind of decorations and a different kind of taste. Am I right? Will that uncultured girl be able to do it?
She will be, Mom. She will be. She just got paid so well today. She should focus on her work.
I asked you to test me. This is my test, Tripto. I can't fail. I can't let you realize how terrible I am feeling right now. No. I won't cry. I won't cry at all. I will smile. I have to smile, Tripto. I will do it, sir. There won't be any mistakes. You can check. The house where I'm working, if the people there are happy, then I'm also happy. May you be always happy, sir. There won't be any mistakes. You can check, sir.
For how long, Nayan? For how long will you remain stubborn? For how long will you remain strong? For how long?
I'm so happy, Jasmine. I'm so happy. I can't explain it to you. It was a huge surprise for me from Deepu. I just couldn't imagine he would call us to announce his marriage. Now get ready to move here permanently, okay? But Nayan is safe now. Neither did I have to evict her family, nor did I have to kill her. What happened, Jasmine? Why do you look so serious? Aren't you happy about Deepu's decision?
I am. But I'm wondering, how is it even possible? Dripto wasn't even ready to divorce her in the morning. He announced that he wouldn't divorce Nayan if she didn't divorce him. He even ripped up the divorce papers. How could he just... He just ignored getting divorced and agreed to get married. How? Don't you find it abnormal, Mrs. Basu?
Yes, you are right. I didn't notice that out of excitement. You are right. Deepu changed so much all of a sudden. I am not able to find the explanation for this sudden change in Deepu's behavior towards Nayan. You're right.
I never wished for anything. For my benefit, oh Lord. But you will have to fulfill my wish today. Why do I cry so much, Lord? Why? Why don't my tears dry up? Why are there so many tears in my eyes? Even if I feel devastated, I shouldn't cry. Why? Welcoming his wife, oh Lord. Only this. Only fulfill this wish of mine. Lord, please. What is this, Lord? Why isn't the conch shell blowing? Why is this happening? I'm trying so hard, but it's not blowing. It won't. It won't blow anymore, Nayan. Mother?
Mom. I mean, Dripto did talk about fulfilling his mom's wish, but I don't think it has any strong logic. Do you know what I doubt the most, Mrs. Basu? Dripto bypassed the divorce and spoke about getting married. But Nayan didn't even react after hearing that. No objection, no revolt. She was just quiet. The one who wasn't ready to divorce him even yesterday, how could she keep quiet even after finding out that her husband is marrying again? She was smiling too. Do you understand, Mrs. Basu? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, I get it. The one who doesn't want to divorce her husband doesn't want to break her marriage, right? But Nayan is not objecting to Deepu's marriage. Deepu is throwing a party to celebrate his decision to get married. She is making arrangements for that. It's really not normal. There's something wrong with it.
There is definitely something wrong, Mrs. Basu. Because Nayan is not someone who accepts everything so easily. As she has accepted everything so easily, we should assume that she wanted to accept it. She has consented to this marriage. But why? How will she get benefited if Dripto is married? Isn't she planning something? Even if she's planning something, we need to find that out first. We need to find out what her plan is. We need to keep an eye on Nayan, Mrs. Basu.
Why are you saying this, mother?
I'm saying what's happening, Nayan. You've invoked the inauspicious. That's why that conch shell is not blooming.
Inauspicious.
Yes. You are getting your husband married to someone else. Did you forget? What vision Lord showed you? You made a mistake by letting her stay here. How can you hand my son over to her? What was the use of that vision then? I forbade you that you must not let him marry her, but you didn't listen to me. Don't let him marry her. My son will be harmed if he marries her.
You are right. You are right, mother. I made a big mistake. Oh no. What have I done?
Why did you make such a mistake, Nayan? Some mistakes are not amendable.
Actually, Mother, Dripto said that he wouldn't be able to bear it if his stepmother deceived him. I got scared hearing that. Trust me, Mother, I got really scared. And Mrs. Basu threatened me that she'd do something dangerous to separate me from Dripto, to prevent her from doing all that, and to make sure Dripto doesn't take any drastic steps. I had to accept this marriage.
To whom are you explaining all this, Nayan? To yourself or to me? You are trying to get Deepu married to a wretched person like Jasmine. Don't you know how bad a person she is?
Mother, I know she's not a good person. She's a bad person. I've seen that. She doesn't hesitate while lying, Mother. I saw that, Mother.
Then? Still you want her to be Deepu's wife? She will harm Deepu, Nayan.
No, Mother. I didn't have any other options, Mother. I had to convince Dripto to get married. It was priest's orders. Moreover, Grandma and Father also want that. Moreover, your son agreed to get married. But he didn't mention whom he'd marry. He may not marry Jasmine. Father is looking for other girls.
No, Nayan. Deepu will marry her. No one can stop that. No one. How could you make such a mistake, Nayan? How could you? Did I make a mistake by handing you Deepu's responsibility? Did I make a mistake? Mistake. It's a mistake.
Mother.
Mistake.
Mother, please don't go. Please wait, Mother, don't
It's
go.
a mistake.
Please wait, Mother, please don't
It's
go.
a mistake.
Mother, no, Mother, it was not your mistake, it was my mistake. Mother, you didn't make a mistake. I made a mistake. I will mend it.
What's the matter?